people. So I'm going to show you today how I cut my hair. It's getting pretty long and it's getting pretty hot out, so I'm going to cut my hair. I've been doing this for 30 plus years. It's kind of a funny contraption. It's called a Flowbee. I'll put a picture of it up here. Prior to this, when I was a child, my mother would cut my hair, and all my brothers and my sister, and gave perms and everything to all the ladies in the neighborhood. She did everyone's hair. But I think when I was about 25 or so, I bought this. I've had it for over 30 years. It was under $100. It was on an infomercial. I saw it, and I thought it looked stupid and silly, but it looked like it really did work. And so I was curious, and I bought it, and haven't paid for a haircut since. I've probably saved over $7,000 in haircuts. So I'm going to show you how this works. It's a device with a hose. This plugs in to an outlet. The other end plugs into the vacuum cleaner. This is the cutting surface. Blades that go back and forth. And you put these different lengths for your hair. I know it's stupid, but it works. Different lengths. They have short ones, long ones, tapered pieces. Anyway, I'm going to cut my hair, and it'll probably take 10 minutes, but it'll probably only take 1 minute because I'm going to try to speed this up. Well, okay, there you go. Now you know my secret. That's how I cut my hair. Let's see if you, it's okay. It's shorter. That's what I needed. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the fun. I know it looked silly, but it works. My hair is a little grayer now because the roots are more gray than when I have length. So, till next time.